I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. Like for sending and receiving emails, here we have two records with the type SMTP and POP3. Okay. One is for receiving the emails, one is for sending the emails. And next, email diagnostics as well. We have this. Email diagnostics. Email diagnostics. Okay. You can see. So here you can say as a this is a personal developer instance and it is disabled. Okay. In real time, here you will identify what are the emails going and what are the emails received. Okay. This is email diagnostics. Under system mailboxes, we have email diagnostics. System boxes. Under administration. Okay. Email diagnostics also have to verify once we take the instance. What else I missed? Okay. And another one. So, as of now, we are in Polaris experience. As of now, we are in Polaris experience. Okay. Previously, the Servicenow instance looks like is different. Previously, the Servicenow instance look like differently. We can navigate to that. Okay, we can navigate to that. Now you can come here. Like before going to that, so I just want to display this instance information. Here you can type stats dot do. Stats stats dot do. Okay, you can enter stats dot do and you can enter. You will see the this particular instance information. Enter. You can see. Statistics for demo server. This is the Servicenow instance. Okay. And the release version is Xnado. Build date is this one. And instance name is this one. This is the Servicenow instance ID, node ID. This instance status and this instance having the IP address like this. Okay. Like here, we can able to see complete information about this particular Servicenow instance. Okay. We can see the complete information about this particular service, for instance. I'm just keeping the shortcut in the notepad. Stats.do. Okay. And next. Yeah. As I said earlier, Servicenow instance looks differently. Like it is a Polaris experience. Okay. Earlier it is different. Now you can come to the system properties. We can change the Polaris experience. Sys underscore properties. These shortcuts we will discuss while explaining the table concept. Okay, like a sys underscore properties dot list. I'm just copying it, and you can enter. Okay, it will open all the system properties. It will open the all the system properties. Okay, within this system properties, you can identify the Polaris experience. Polaris. You can enter. You can see we have 18 system properties. Within this 18 system properties, we have to identify the Polaris. Yes, this is the actual system property. Polaris experience. This is the actual system property. Okay, if Polaris here the Polaris experience is true. That's what we are seeing the Polaris experience by default. If we disable this Polaris experience, you are able to see the UI 15, UI 16 experience. Okay, I'm just making it to false. I'm just making it to false. Okay. So I just make this Polaris experience false. Okay. I'm just copying the URL and I'm keeping it here. uh, within our ServiceNow instances, if you want to navigate to the same system property, okay, you just update your instance number here and you can enter. Okay, it will open. Okay, I just updated to false. You can see you already observed something in the list with something got changed. Okay, earlier for the list view, earlier this personalize is here and yeah, filter also somewhere, not here exactly. Okay. Now, once you updated the Polaris experience to false, you can and you just close the system property. You can come to the home page and after .com you can remove everything. After .com you can remove everything and you can enter. You can see how it looks like. It's loading. So let's start that. Like it just showing. You can see. The ServiceNow instance looks like this. Okay. If you see any YouTube videos or if you see any organization, most some of the organizations still following this structure, this format only. Okay. Few of the organizations. Okay, and few of them already moved to the Polaris experience. Okay, if you see few of the ServiceNow instances somewhere like in YouTube or maybe somewhere, okay, like to capture the courses 2 years back like that. Okay, you are able to see in this format. Okay, you don't think this should be different and Polaris should be different. Okay, applications and modules and all options are same only. Like looks wise, only the difference. The difference only looks wise. Okay, if you come to the UI 16. Yeah, this is UI 16. For example, if you open incident list view, depends how it looks like. We have there is a different, right, little bit difference in terms of user experience, like spaces and all. Okay, should be like this. So you can say earlier here within this experience, this message icon is appearing here. Earlier we have seen beside to this instance like this. Okay. Now I will also show you how to navigate to UI 15. So you can see. If it is a UI 16 experience, we have different themes. You can see we have multiple themes available. For example, I want contrast. Yes, it is changed. If I want rose, yes, it is changed. If I want blimmy, yes, it is changed. If I want this blue, yes, it is changed. Okay. I'm just keeping this system. Okay, and remaining options all are same. You can see we already seen all these options. Okay, general you can see. Okay, timing, time zone, themes, accessibility list, forms. We have seen everything. So I'm just closing it, and again I'm clicking on the settings. This should be the preferences. The setting icon is the preferences. I'm just clicking on preferences. So if you observe here you are able to find switch to UI 15. So if you click on this switch to UI 15, you will navigate to the UI 15 experience. I'm just clicking on UI 15. You can see how it looks like. Yes. UI 15 experience should be looks like this. Okay, but nobody using this experience as of now. Okay, everybody, mostly everybody converted to the Polaris experience. If they are not in Polaris experience, at least they are in UI 16. Okay, nobody using this experience as of now.
So
Again,
right now there is a Polaris and UI 16, right?
yeah,
Okay.
this we don't want. I'm just switching to UI 16 again. Okay. And even I don't want to stay with this UI 60. Okay, I want to stay always. I want to stay with the latest things. Okay, I'm just changing to the I'm just moving on to the Polaris experience. Okay. Even within the user interface, experience should be UI 16 only. Okay. You've already seen basic configuration, UI 16, like that. Yes, again, I was moved to the Polaris experience. Okay. You just remove everything after .com and you can enter. You are able to see the Polaris experience again. So, for example, here I'm impatienting to the Abil tutor or Abraham Lincoln. Okay. Maybe I'm clicking on impatiate Abil tutor, impatiate user. Yes, within the organization, everybody moved to the Polaris experience, but Abil tutor not interested with Polaris experience. Even by default, everybody having the Polaris experience, Abil tutor don't like Polaris experience. For example, he is planning to stay with UI 16 only. He's planning to stay with UI 16 only. He don't want Polaris. Yes, like that also we can able to configure. Now you can come. Maybe Abel Tuta changing his preferences. He's going to preferences. No. 1 minute. This has to done by our administration team only. He is not able to do by his own. Okay. I'm ending the implementation. For the Abel tutor, Polaris experience don't want Polaris experience. Okay. Like what I am saying here, I'm going to preferences. Yes. Wait. You can see somewhere you will find the under user administration. We have user preferences. I'm just going to the user preferences and I'm just changing experience for Abil tutor. Okay. You can type Polaris use. You can type this property. I'm just keeping this as well in the notepad. No, Abil tutor don't want to use this Polaris experience. That's what for the Abil tutor I'm configuring. Okay. Here I'm selecting Abel tutor. So here value I'm selecting false. Okay. I'm just doing the insert and stay. That means I'm creating the duplicate record. Okay. With the modified values. Okay. I'm creating one record. I'm creating one record for the Abel tutor. Like for the Abel tutor, what I'm saying, don't use Polaris. You can see this is the system property, and I'm saying don't use Polaris. I'm just doing insert and stay. I'm just doing the insert and stay. If you observe here, we have two records. Earlier, only one record. One is for all the users. Polaris user experience for all the users, but especially for the Apple tutor, I said don't use. Okay. Yes. Now, now you can come and see the Apple tutor, like how it look experience likes for Apple tutor. Yes, I'm just going to the Apple tutor and you can see what his experience. Got it, everyone? Yes, everybody got it.
Yes.
Even even by default, we are using Polaris. Yes, we can able to change the options. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just ending the implementation. Oh, and the day before class, I forgot to show you some example organizational real-time instances. Okay. Now we may see. So how the organization instances names format. Okay. For example, if we are taking Wipro dev2 dot service hyphen now dot com. Like this, organization name dot service hyphen now dot com. No, it is not available. IBM dot service hyphen now.com. The organizational instances should be like this. You can say, you don't try. I'm just like I'm just showing. So how the organization instance format. So for example, if you join into the organization, sometimes they will not give the developer instance URL, production, testing URLs. We have to identify, and we may check with other core team members. Okay, they will provide. Okay, like you can easily identify most of the organizational instances. For example, you can say if I am trying to open IBM's instance, it is going to some third party login. Okay, once we log in, it will once we log in with this third party, we can able to successfully log in. For example, IBM dot service now dot com slash login dot. So for local login, this should be the URL. For local login, this should be the URL. For third party login, this should be the URL. You can see. We may try a few more. Xerox, for example, Xerox dot service now dot com. You can see. Every third party organization environment will go to the third party login only. Every organization environment it will go to the third party login only instead of local login. CROS dot service now dot com slash login dot local credentials should be like this. Okay. Tell me some other organization names. TCS, for example. Service-now.com. Wait. TCS one. One minute. Like this, some organizations will follow different naming conventions. For example, Accenture, it is a big name, I can say. Yeah, maybe they will use some shortcut. Okay. Tele performance, for example, tp.service-1 now.com slash login dot. Yes, it is there. Infosys dot service now.com slash login dot enter. You can see. Okay, like this. Like this organizational instances should be there, like organization name slash service now.com. This should be the format. Okay. I'm just closing today class with attendance. Okay, and tomorrow I'm going to start with ITSM. Tomorrow I'm going to start with ITSM. I can say for 1 week completely theory part. Okay, for 1 week completely theory part. So once we completed ITSM theory part, we will do the practical things. Stop recording.